Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about thermostat for Star Mfg part #2T-Z5958. The thermostat for Star Mfg part #2T-Z5958 is a thermostat designed to control the temperature of a heating or cooling system. It is typically used in commercial and industrial applications, such as in restaurants, factories, and warehouses. The thermostat has a temperature range of -40 degrees Fahrenheit to +250 degrees Fahrenheit, -40 degrees Celsius to +121 degrees Celsius. It features an adjustable differential of 1 degree Fahrenheit, 0.5 degrees Celsius, and an adjustable cycle rate of 1 to 60 minutes. The thermostat also has a manual reset button and a LED indicator light that shows when the thermostat is in operation. The thermostat is UL. This part fixes the following symptoms. The symptoms that this thermostat would fix would depend on the specific application it is being used for. Generally speaking, a thermostat is used to regulate temperature in a given environment, so it could be used to fix issues related to temperature control. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the furnace at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing thermostat from the wall and disconnect all wires from it. 3. Install the new thermostat base plate on the wall and connect all wires to it according to the wiring diagram provided with your new thermostat. 4. Securely mount the thermostat onto its base plate and make sure that all connections are secure and tight. 5. Turn on the power to the furnace at the circuit breaker and test your new thermostat for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.